Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Diana, you know, your girl over here. I don't know if you know me, if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. It's lit and it's fun and I just love doing this. So welcome back to those who have come back. And today is a very exciting video because it's on my all-time favorite YouTuber, Miss Patrick Starrr. Yes, this is my friend. We there, we cool, you know what I'm saying? Like, do you want me to read what Miss Patrick Starrr wrote to me when I met her? She said, Diana, I love you so much. XOXO Patrick Starrr. That's right. That's right, girl. I love you too. I love you too. Really, I really do. You're slaying the game. You're killing it. You're killing it. My sister hooked it up. She actually went out and ordered me the Patrick Starrr matte collaboration. She is sponsoring this video, so shout out to Rosemary. And that is what I'm going to be reviewing today. Patrick came out with two bundles, one that's called Me So Fleek and Me So Chic. So my sister ended up getting me both so I can review it on my YouTube channel, which I'm very excited about. So thank you, Rosemary. So this is what we're gonna do today. I already have my eyebrows done and my foundation. Basically, I have my face on. I'm going to open up the bundles, swatch them for you, and show you what's inside. I'm also gonna be talking about pricing and the quality. So if you really wanna know what this is really about, stay right here because it's about to go down. But there's a catch. If you're gonna stay, and girl, I know because I can see you, if you are going to stay, I need you to do two things. Three. I want you to like this video because, come on, like, you know you like me, you know. And then the second thing I'm gonna need you to do is hit that subscribe button because if you like me, you wanna see me again, right? Right? True. And then the third thing I want you to do is I want you to tell me who's your favorite YouTuber and why in the comment section. So do that so I can see if I have that YouTuber, if I need to look that YouTuber up, because I have to tell you that I am so inspired by the beauty community on YouTube and especially on Instagram too, because there's some people who really kill it in the makeup game but they're on Instagram and not on YouTube. So if you have anybody on Instagram or any social media that really kills it, drop their name below so I could do a little bit of research. Okay? Enjoy this video, comment, like, subscribe, and yeah, moving on. The first bundle I'm going to open up is actually the Me So Fleek one because I feel like this one is me, because you know. The entire line was inspired by flowers and it actually like looks so sick with my backdrop. I did not plan that. I actually got this backdrop for my channel and then I got this, so that's really cool. Basically this bundle is a collaboration with MAC and it's Me So Fleek. It comes with the retro matte lipstick, a lip gloss, an eyeshadow with 4 colors, and a powder blush duo. So I'm really excited about that. I'm gonna open this up now so you guys can see what we got going on. Okay, I love the packaging. It's like, ooh, we got some purple fill-in paper. Okay, so everything's wrapped in purple paper. Anything else in here? Ooh, okay. So before I show you the products, I want to show you the face chart. So each one of these bundles comes with the face chart. If you're not sure how much this is, it is $49.50, which is incredible for MAC products, like worth so much more. And this is a look that Patrick put together. I believe he wore this in his advertisement. And this is like basically the colors that are gonna be in this packaging. The eyeshadow looks amazing. Those lips though, girl. I'll get those lips. It says, spring into fierceness and blossom into your own beauty. Live your floral fantasy. XOXO Patrick Starrr. Love this so freaking much. I don't even know how to do this video because it's like literally I'm obsessed. Like, I'm obsessed. Did I tell you that Patrick put me on his Instagram story? He screenshotted my tweet and legitimately put me on his story. Like, I'm telling you, we're best friends. Y'all don't even know. We're there. We're there. First product that I'm opening is the lip gloss. This lip gloss is Queen Pea. Look at it. Like, oh my God. This is so cute. I can't. This is adorable. It says Patrick Starrr on the lid with MAC underneath and it has a floral pattern on it. Beautiful. This is like a hot pink, like glitter lip gloss. Oh my God, you guys have to look at this. Insane. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch it so you guys can see what it looks like. Ooh. Yes. Look at that glitter. Do you see this? This is so pretty. Such a summer look. I know this is a spring line, but I would definitely be wearing this throughout spring, all the way through the summer. That is so cute. I can't believe that this was 50 bucks. Like, I've only literally taken out one product. I've only taken out one product and I cannot believe that this is only $50. Look at the lipstick though. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. So this lipstick is called Hey Boy Hey, how you doing? No, it's just Hey Boy Hey, but this is so cute. So this is Hey Boy Hey. Ooh, girl. So I'm gonna swatch this so you guys can see what it looks like. Ooh, goes perfect with the lip gloss. Very nice. Definitely will be trying this. Next is the eyeshadow palette. Look at this packaging. When it comes to makeup, the packaging is everything, and Patrick has killed it. The first set that he came out with MAC, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Like, look at this. I have it right here. Like, this was the packaging. This is what the eyeshadow came in, right? And then this time, look at the outside of this. This is gorgeous. I love it so, so much. It's beautiful. Now let's look at the colors. Wow. Girl. Girl, do you see this? Beautiful. Do you see that blue? Rosemary, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to share this with you. You might just have to buy more. First color I'm gonna swatch is In Living Pink. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand so you guys can see it. Beautiful color, love it. Already my favorite. The next color I'm gonna swatch is called All Is Rosy. It's a matte purple. Then the next one is Hickey. It's the hot pink. Yes, love that. Hickey reminds me of the lip gloss and lipstick color. And then the last one is this blue that everybody's been obsessed about. Yep, in the shadows. Oh my God. Well, now I know why everybody's going crazy about it. Look at that blue, girl. I cannot wait to try this. I really cannot wait to try this. Thank you, Patrick, for blessing us with this. Item is the Duo Blush Palette. How Patrick got MAC to charge $50 for these 4 items, I don't know, because I've never seen this before. Look at this, girl. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. This is gorgeous. These are the 2 blush colors, which I love. Very cute. Cannot wait to try that. So far, I'm loving the Miso Fleek. It is adorable. It's like so spring, so summer. I'm speechless. I'm shook. This is shook. This is the feeling of being shook. And I'm excited to try this stuff. So now we have to move on to the next bundle. And the next one is called Me So Chic. Cute. Love the packaging. Love it. So this is the card that came with the Me So Chic. This is supposed to be more like classy, you know, you could go to work with this on, you know what I'm saying? This is very cute, but again, those lips, girl. Where'd you get those lips? This is the lip gloss. Again, same packaging as the Me So Fleek, very cute. And the lip gloss is called Mama Starr's Kiss. That's adorable. I actually also met Mama Starr. She's a sweetheart. I have pictures of her from the Damn show that I went to. Beautiful woman, very sweet, very open and happy, and very supportive of all of Patrick's fans. So this is the Mama Starr's Kiss lip gloss. Very nice. I'm gonna swatch it for you. You can see how it's pigmented. That thing is shining. The lipstick is called Sweet Mama Starr. Very cute. This is what it looks like. I wonder what this looks like compared to... Okay, we gotta compare this. So this is Sweet Mama Starr. And for the last line, I actually got... Please don't mind that it's dirty because I use this thing like crazy. It's my favorite lipstick. We have Mama Starr's lipstick. So you can see the difference there. This is Mama Starr and this is Sweet Mama Starr. Very cute, different. So Sweet Mama Starr is more pink. I'm gonna swatch that for you so you can see that. Very nice. And then I'll swatch the lip gloss next to it so you can see the lip gloss. Oh my goodness, girl. So that's Sweet Mama Starr and Mama Starr's Kiss lip gloss and lipstick. Okay, so now this eyeshadow palette is called Stay With Me. This is Stay With Me, and it also has 4 shadows in it. Let's see what they look like. These are the 4 eyeshadows. I'm gonna try not to cry. This is so cute. Oh my god. So we have Daddy Star, Yes, Queen Patrick, and Bonute. Okay, so we're gonna swatch this so you guys can see. So the first one I'm gonna swatch is Daddy Star, which is a matte lavender color. This is Daddy Star. It's like a lavender color, very nice. I'm gonna swatch that so you can see it. And then the next one next to that, so that's Daddy Star. The next one is Yes, which is, are you ready? Look at this, look at Yes. Do you see that? Do you see that? Look how beautiful. Okay, and then we have Queen Patrick, which is this sickening purple. Queen Patrick. And then after Queen Patrick, we have a darker purple. Ooh, this is dark. Bonute. And that is called Stay With Me. This is a Stay With Me quad. Final item is the I'm Not Blushing duo. I love the names that Patrick has used for all of these products. They're so cute. This is beautiful. Look at that. So cute. So I'm gonna swatch both colors so you guys can see what they look like. So I don't know if you can see it, but those are the two blushes. In person, they look gorgeous. I don't know if the camera's picking up the pigment, but they are adorable. And the fact that this has a mirror, so just off the bat, I'm loving the color range. I'm loving the quality. Look, it's one thing to get MAC to make an affordable bundle. It's a whole nother level to get MAC to make high quality affordable products. That's insane. Like, I can't tell the difference between what I just swatched and what I already have from MAC. So, yay! Good job, Patrick. So now I have to decide between making a look with Me So Chic or Me So Fleek. So now I have to decide between these two looks. Which one should I try to recreate? I don't know.